Hey everybody, Dawn McGee here, your wellness strategist and nutrition evangelist. I am not in my home office today. I am traveling. And today I'm talking about managing rehab phases, either for you or for your clients. And I'll tell you why I'm talking about it. Because next Friday, I'm going to have a little bit of foot surgery. I'll have some rehab time. Things will be different. I'll have to manage things differently. And then in June, I'm having my knee replaced. So this will be a big year of managing rehab. And it's really easy for people to get discouraged when they're put in a position, whether it's recovering from an illness or a surgery or anything else, that they have to step back their activity, do things differently. Obviously, with foot surgery, I will be off my foot for a little bit. My activity level will be different. I won't be playing pickleball for at least 8 weeks, which, is definitely giving me pause, but that's okay because there are other things that I can do. Maybe I'll do a little bit more cooking. I'll try out some new recipes. There are always different ways to rearrange and rejiggle your routine so that you're not just sitting around with the remote making chocolate chip cookies and being miserable, right? A lot of it is about your mindset and how you plan for it and how the activities that you're going to have to shift, and have a plan for those ahead of time so that you're not caught in the moment where maybe you're not feeling so hot. You've got rehabbing to do, right? You've got exercises to do. They're different exercises, but they're super important for your rehab and your recovery. And then if you don't have a plan, you know what they say, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail, which, yes, admittedly can feel and sound a little bit harsh, but I'm a firm believer in making a plan. So things that are really important to do are understand what your limitations are going to be. Obviously, if it's rehab from a surgery, you're going to know ahead of time. If it's an injury, try not to push too hard, figure out where the edge is, and go up to it, but don't keep trying to go beyond, right? If I had injured my ankle, for example, instead of going in for foot surgery, as much as it would be difficult, I would know that pickleball is not the thing that I'm going to be doing for a little bit while until it all heals. So make sure you understand what limitations you're going to be working with and put a plan together to address those. If you know that you're not going to be able to move, maybe you're not going to be able to get around and even like prep some meals, prep some ahead of time. Maybe even prep them a little bit cleaner than you normally would so that your body's getting really high quality fuel that it can use in the rehab process. Really important, right? And you address your basic 6 pillars. Make sure you're getting plenty of sleep. Make sure that you are getting plenty of hydration. Make sure that you're keeping your stress low. And all of those things, they matter, right? So follow along as I recover from my surgery next week. And as always, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without giving up all of the things that bring you joy. Until next week, ciao.